here for Barry Arps and Meats and Snacks. Dan, nope. Jason Heck piloting Slumber Party. Ben Blaine Davis driving the appliance drop-off. And John, I didn't think his last name.
John Robitaille.
Driving the wash. These are the last men standing. These are the
cheer
last
them on. They're getting in their carts. Cheer them on. Let's hear some noise for these the final crazy round.
This is the last bit of appliance-based entertainment. Get the most of it, patrons.
They're putting their lives on the line for you.
You're putting your lives on the line for you.
And for Appliance Depot. I just saved up for this one. Oh, they're off.
There's the push.
Oh, look out, crowd.
Oh, look at that. Taunting. Slumber Party, one of the fastest to the back because of drop-offs.
Oh!
Face tank.
Oh! Break! We have it over.
The wasp is burning up the green.